What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a quick install video on our 2019 to 2020 Chevy hood hinge mounts, or ditch light brackets, whatever you guys want to call them. So they're made out of heavy 3/16 steel that's powder coated, all precision CNC bent and cut. And we're going to be mounting our APS Ultra beams with the green lenses. So what we like to do first is get these lights mounted up to the brackets prior to installing them on the actual vehicle. So let's do that real quick. I'm just going to get everything finger tight right now. We'll cinch it up in a second. So with our lights, we have room for you to actually go ahead and adjust that light left to right as much as you're going to need to, whatever your preferences are. So that's why I like to leave these just kind of finger tight for now till we get them on the truck. It's as simple as that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Okay guys, now we're under the hood of the truck, and a quick little tip would be to get yourself a dry erase marker and just mark the outline of the top of that bracket right there, because what's going to happen when you loosen these two nuts, your hood is actually going to shift, and you want to make sure that that's all lined up right where the factory points were lined up, because if it's off, you tighten it back up and shut the hood of your car, it could collide with your fenders. So make sure to give yourself some sort of mark, so when these things loosen, you can put them back right where they're supposed to be. So it's already pretty loose. As you can see, that just shifted right there. As soon as I loosen that up, the whole hood is able to shift around. So since we got our marks there, we can put this back where it needs to be when we tighten everything back up. So I'm just going to spin these out just to the bottom of the studs. You don't have to take them all the way off. Get your bracket with the light on it. Now that should slide right into place. Sometimes you got to loosen them up a little bit more. There you go. That's all there is to it. So now when you're lining everything back up, I'm just going to loosen this one up just a little bit more. Give myself a little wiggle room. You want to take a look at those marks that you made. It's kind of hard to see on the camera right now, but I'm making sure that I have everything lined up with my marks originally. Go ahead and tighten them up evenly. and you are good to go. That's it. That's how you installed the 2019 to 2020 hinge mounts. They fit nice and clean up beneath the bottom. You can open the hood all the way up and there's no collision with the window at all. Next thing that you need to do is run your wiring straight through here. I like to just put it right in between this little part right here, and that's it. Thanks, guys.